T-minus 24 hours to the BTS concert. Today is Saturday. It's actually day 1 of the BTS concert. I'm going tomorrow, which is day 2, and I still have to drive to Tampa. Preparations today. We are literally creating our outfit with our own 2 hands. We got to take a trip to Michael's. I just realized the shirt has not come in. Great. Okay, once the shirt comes in, last minute little things, gotta go to Five Below, see if I can find a bag that is smaller than 4x6 inches. If not, I have a really, really small one that I do not want to take. It's barely a bag. But just saying, it's arriving today. Yes! Okay. Pre-BTS vibes. For context, I have been in ARMY since 2016. It's been 10 years. I was supposed to go to the concert in 2020 because they were literally coming to my city, my favorite song. Oh my god, one of my favorite BTS songs. And then COVID happened. So I've essentially been wanting to see them for 10 years of my life. Was planning to see them 6 years ago. They canceled, obviously, for obvious reasons. And now it's been 6 years since I've been actually waiting to see them in person because I knew that it was possible because it was going to happen in 2020. Now it's 2026 and they're actually doing it. So yeah, it's 3 p.m., 3:30 actually, and Danny's turning in right now. And once she comes, we are starting these festivities together. Gotta get last minute stuff, maybe a trip to Goodwill, I don't really know. We'll see how it goes. My stomach is hurting. Oh my gosh, I have to charge all my cameras. That's her? Oh. Here. So come with me to get ready to see BTS. What I get? Ugh. Wait, can you not do the same? Refresh track. Oh my god, my stomach hurts. I'm numb. Oh my god. I'm numb. Holy Shiva, I'm gonna get it. Ready? It didn't work. No. It didn't work. Can you see that, Danny? Can you see that? Can you see? I can't record this. Yay! It went through.
$1,000 somebody's paying to see.
No, 10,000. You know the tickets went up. Very successful morning. Garage sale. BTS tickets in the 200 section. And guess what? Vietnamese coffee. This is our first time trying it. This is great. One, just like our line in Ticketmaster now. BTS ticketing concert. Cheers. Whoa. It's good. Dude, that like hit. That was like that was intense. That was my first time trying. We got excited.
Okay, I feel like let's.
Oh my god, look, he's up. BTS concert. Try on. I just tried to do like the 2013 eyeliner makeup look that they do. Bandana from the dollar store. This hat that I got off Amazon. I wanted to get it at the flea market, but all they had was ones that said VIP. And like, cool. And I was like, no, I need dope because dope. You know what I mean? So yes, this is my BTS practice makeup, T-minus 2 days before the concert. I don't really know how to wear a bandana, you guys. This is my first time doing it, so thanks. At the moments right now. Hair dye is definitely in the air. Don't look at all that. Just a little refresh, just a little red undertone when the lights are flashing. The pimple patch. You know, it always happens. It always happens when I have an event like this. You know, when the lights are flashing. You'll see the... No, you won't, but... Getting ready for BTS. I was supposed to vlog. Oh, I was supposed to be vlogging. Oh, like
That's gonna be our point right there.
For $278, I was supposed to vlog. Forgot my camera. And now you guys missed like 3 hours of what we were doing. Why is that kind of cute? I'm trying to find a 4x6 bag to bring for the concert. You know what? Maybe this will do. I still feel like that's big.
At this point, they'll probably this one.
Then you put that down.
Okay.
Like, that's not even gonna work.
That's too big.
It's too big, right?
Yeah. Dude,
Here,
I should
you
have brought like a
freaking update.
little measuring tape. That's fucking thunder. That's thunder. That's thunder. That's thunder. Wait. Where do I put the phone? Because I need to.
Wait, is this actually? It didn't say it has to be
Okay,
clear.
so I need to put this phone
Why
somewhere.
is this cute? Wait, is this too big? This is $20. Danny, just
Thunderstorm. How is Tampa looking? Wait. I forgot it's. Oh, Tampa's sunny. Okay. She's on a mission. Not a mission. So now she's vlogging.
The
So now she's vlogging.
We're going to pick. We're gonna go pick up pizza.
If we get a rest.
What if Cordis opens for BTS tomorrow?
Okay, don't ever say that.
She's going. Mama just wants to pick up the pizza. This is taking a while.
Girl, check if this is it, because I don't even know.
Hold on. Hold on. Yes. Oh my god. I actually just realized we're actually gonna see them. My tomorrow BTS wedding because it's like pink and it's like green school love affair. Like that's
That's actually cute.
this is my No, go ahead.
Sorry.
It's okay. It's my BTS mocktail that I created for today and tomorrow's event. Yeah. We're gonna watch Euphoria.
Alright, I'm just like, I can't talk right now.
Oh, we already ate some of that. That's embarrassing. Oh, the shirts aren't even unpacked, you guys. It's literally 12. It's literally 12 a.m.
I gotta put like a timer to see how long this is gonna take us.
Yeah, so we haven't started at all. And in my mind, we were gonna start at 5 p.m. That's actually what happened in my mind. These are all my bedazzles.
I don't know why we're... Actually, I'm not surprised.
Doing it this late? This always happens. We found this at freaking Walmart for $2.
Please show the original one. Where's it?
Denny's, they didn't come in!
It never... We checked.
It never came. We paid $2.99 extra for the shipping.
Hell no.
So, hell no. Now expected by 8 a.m.
Wow.
I want
so we better
double
get that.
my money back.
We better get this little glue is what we were depending on.
For
as
the
well.
whole shirt. Oh, wait, I need to show you guys what we're doing.
Are you kidding me?
Wait, hold up.
Are you kidding me? Oh, hey, bye.
Okay, so come over here.
Girl.
Why are you so far from me? Okay, so obviously I made a BTS folder for the concert. Duh. This is the Jungkook outfit that everyone is taking inspo from.
Can I open this now?
Yeah, go ahead. This is what we're doing. We're making that shirt, but we're bedazzling it. Yoongi with the shirt.
Oh, Laila?
Danny?
By the way, the glue starts from here.
Great! So this is the vibe.
Oh, it came with a little white pencil.
Okay, what the hell is that gonna do? It's probably never gonna come through. So that's the vibe, and I saved a bunch of these to recreate.
Wow, this
So
is
I don't know if
really
you want to
pretty.
recreate this.
Oh, absolutely.
See, these would be fun. These are all the ones I want to recreate. So we're gonna get started, and then we'll see you soon. Because we want to get cookie dough frosties from Wendy's. So that's gonna be our halftime reward.
I'm gonna be
if
so
you will.
honest.
What?
I feel like we should have gone a second pack.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Are you serious? No, I don't think so. I think we're good.
Are you sure?
You want to do the names
trusting
on the
you.
back?
I don't think we're gonna have enough. If I'm being completely honest with you. Yeah.
I feel like we're like in elementary school.
This is embarrassing.
What is that?
This is embarrassing.
Oh my god. It's gonna work.
We'll find out.
So I'm a genius. I found out how to erase. You ready? So I made a mistake. I got a black marker. Boom. She's gone. Nice. Dying. Hustle life. I gotta make it.
Do you think that's good?
You can still see it.
B
You can.
T S.
Wow.
I think that's good, right? Like,
It's getting serious.
oh my god.
Oi. I like that dance.
Like, is this one by Justin Bieber?
Yeah. Can we listen to Justin Bieber? Or is that like? Is this so? Oh my god, I do love this part. I feel like I'm performing surgery, dude. Do you know? Na, na, na.
Like 2016.
I was just talking about God 7. Why you gotta be like this?
Oh.
Forget it. This is gonna make me so sad. I didn't see it live though.
Oh my god. Dude.
It's 2:13 a.m. in the morning. I got one letter done.
Mine is gonna be thick.
Playing the song that got me into BTS. It's okay. Well, just finished the tea. Now that I'm looking at it, it's actually smaller from this side. What do I do? Oh, she's still going. Whoa, it's 3:17 a.m. We just got Wendy's for finishing 2 letters.
And do you see this?
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
what is this mess? I'm sorry. It looks like this
Yeah.
has already been eaten.
Yeah. Oh, wow. I was about to drive straight into that. What the hell? Do you hear that?
No. That's actually, Lila, that's really scary.
Yeah, I know. Guys.
What if someone just starts running towards the car?
Peace.
Oh my god, wait, you know, the movie Passengers.
Wait, I want to watch it. Knock, 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 knock. 3:30, basically. We 3:30 a.m. Frosty's secured, acquired. You know how it do. I got the B and the T done. Now I just need the S, which is the one I'm most scared for.
Oh, same.
But it's looking cute, you know? Yeah. It's 6 in the morning.